What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be my S15 Silvia's build update. I just bought a Lynx Lambda controller and a CAN controller and a wideband, purposely tuned for the Lynx, and I rewired my boost controller, the boost solenoid controller, to the Lynx ECU. So everything is installed in the car right now, and we're gonna do a few compensation map, we're gonna do some bass map, and we're gonna do the idle tune just to get everything really smooth. The guy that's gonna do the bass map and the compensation map and the idle would be James's guru, which he had guided him throughout the year. So we got a master in ECU tuning and all this cam timing and everything. He's really a master in that to work on my car. So I will show you guys everything in a cinematic sequence. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys, so I am back from Avant-Garde Motorsport from James' place, and I mean, there are existing problems with the Silvia, and some of it is the battery cable. I need to swap that out for a proper battery cable because apparently the cable that I'm using has too much resistance, which is causing the car to have uneven current around the car and to the ECU and to all the other components that are using the electricity. That's the first part. The second one is one of my injectors are not firing. It's brand new, so I got no idea why, but the person that sold me the set of injectors has agreed to swap me a new one. So tomorrow I'll be heading over to get it checked out. And the third thing would be my idle valve. Apparently for some strange reason the idle valve is not working, and then I also have a spare one which so happened to also not work. So there's no idea why, but we found a way to retrofit an idle valve from another car, from another make, to make it work. And according to the tuner Ricky, the ignition coils are not ideal, so I might upgrade them to some R35 GTR ignition coils, depending on the availability as well. So I guess that's the end of the video on the Silvia build update. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press on the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.